Last year, Sibanda made headlines after being appointed by President Mnangagwa as an ex-official member of the ZANU-PF Politburo, a move widely interpreted as an attempt to groom him for a future political role, possibly as a stabilizing successor or presidential contender in 2028. Sabida mashoko budanyo kopangwa ine awazi Philip Valerio Sibanda retires and over subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibula mzimbai budanyo cheating. However, his inclusion immediately drew legal and constitutional criticism. Prominent lawyer and constitutional expert advocate Van Mpofu threatened to challenge the appointment in court, arguing that it violates Section 2083 of the Constitution, which prohibits certain members of the security services from engaging in active politics. Within weeks, Sibanda's name was quietly withdrawn from the Politburo list, an embarrassment for the ruling party and a clear reminder of the delicate boundary between the military and civilian political life in post-coup Zimbabwe. At the time, party insiders told ZVAITWA that Sibanda's brief political elevation reflected Mnangagwa's strategy to balance the power matrix between himself and his ambitious deputy, Chiwenga, who still commands strong loyalties within the army. According to senior security sources who spoke to Mashingomira, Sibanda is now on pre-retirement leave and will formally exit service by November 23, 2025, marking the end of an era. Military drills for the takeover ceremony are reportedly underway, with the event expected around November 9. Our ZDF Director of the Public Relations, Colonel Charles Matize, dismissed the reports as speculative, saying no official communication had yet been made. Ministry of Defense sources confirmed that the leadership transition is being handled quietly under Mnangagwa's direct supervision. For now, no official communication has been done regarding the matter, and should the general retire, the media will be made aware through a press statement that we would release, said Mutije. Defense Minister Opam Chinguri refused to comment. Sibanda's departure follows a series of sweeping changes in Zimbabwe Security Command, with the Mnangagwa replacing long-serving police Commissioner General Godwin Matanga with Stephen Mutamba, and appointing Fortune Mangwaya as Director General of the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, replacing Isaac Moyo. Toma developments are Popam Soro, our Peku retire, kwa Philip Valerio Sibanda. Pinakuma section menus of Furo Amo to Deep Amsuru Chitko each. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.